Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be showing y'all the Crossman air-powered CO2 semi-automatic Phantom BB pistol kit. So let's get started. So this is the Phantom semi-automatic CO2 powered kit. It gives you BBs, CO2, or two I guess, glasses, and aiming target sights. So I'm going to open this up and then let's see what's inside. So first what I see, also did already open this up, but that's alright. They gave us crossman aiming targets, and then you would write your score like right here. And then it gives you the gun, of course. I'll get to that. And then glasses that pretty good. Yeah, they look. And then next they give you what are these? What are these things? Huh? They're tripping out. Steel 4.5mm BBs. They're like silver, and yeah, they like drip, falling out everywhere. So yeah, so this is what they give you. So they give you steel 4.5mm BBs. They give you like glasses, and then the score sheet, and then the CO2 powered pistol, of course. I'm gonna pick these BBs up. I'll do that after. Yeah, so let's get into the gun. So if you get this like at Academy or like Bass and Pro Shop, I recommend to get this gun. It's pretty good. It has a 177 mag. You pull the clip down, and then you put the BBs through this hole, and then you can like fill it up all the way. And then at the bottom, you push it up, and it will put the BBs up to the top, like right here. Yeah. And then take CO2. This one like slides, but you're also able to take it off. Like you unscrew this, and then once you hear a hiss, you have to screw it more because it's gonna like spray out the CO2. And that's like if you're wasting it, so I wouldn't do that. There's a safety and a non-safety. It's on safety right now. You push it and then you tilt it and then you turn it left, but it's right for you guys. And then you see red and then it fires. But I already have CO2 in it. It did give me 2 CO2s, which are pretty good, but 2 wouldn't really last the whole entire, like, it wouldn't last as long as you think. So yeah, it's on fire right now, but when it's on safe, nothing's really gonna happen. So yeah, it looks pretty good. But if you're at like the store, these BBs, they're not gonna give you like a lot, because if you see it, I'd recommend to get I would recommend to get the Crossman 6,000 count copperhead BBs. So yeah, and then glasses, and then the aiming sights. So yeah, let's go test it outside, and then let me show you how to fill this up. So I'm gonna put this over here. So you're gonna need to get the cap and then or just unscrew it, which is harder. But I'm gonna get the cap up and then get the magazine and pull it all the way down, and then leave it like that, like tilted so all the BBs go down to the front of the magazine and the top. And then I'm gonna pour the BBs in my hand and then fill them up through the back hole, like right here. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna go test fire it. Where'd that other BB go? I don't know. Yeah, but copperhead BBs do work. But yeah, they're pretty good. I gave it a 5 out of 5 gun, airsoft gun, because it's pretty good. Crossman. It's America's first air-powered armory, which I just saw on the side of the box, which is pretty cool. So you're gonna do that on the bottom, and then put it into the gun, put it into the object, and then yeah, I'm gonna they're upside down. So I'm gonna go fire it, and then yeah, let's see what it's gonna do. So I'm gonna be targeting outside at my, what the heck? Can I even see this? Oh wow, that's bright. Alright. Is that way too bright for y'all? Yeah, I'm just gonna shoot it. But like, that's way too bright.
Liam.
That's alright. So I'm just gonna leave it out here, and then y'all will hear it. So let's fire it. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I would recommend to get this gun. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye. I don't know why it's so bright.